Hey, everyone! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive into the fascinating world of wildlife. Today we're talking about a bird known for its vibrant colors and incredible hunting skills, the kingfisher. These birds are some of nature's most skilled hunters, and there's so much to learn about them. So let's dive into some fun and amazing facts about kingfishers. First off, kingfishers are famous for their bright and beautiful colors. Their feathers often show a mix of blue, green, orange, and white, making them one of the most colorful birds in the world. This stunning plumage helps them blend in with their surroundings when they're hunting near water. Kingfishers are expert hunters. They're best known for their amazing ability to catch fish. Using their sharp eyesight, they can spot fish from above and dive down at lightning speed to grab them. Their long, sharp beaks help them snatch fish out of the water with great precision. When a kingfisher dives, it's like an arrow shooting into the water. Their bodies are perfectly shaped for cutting through the water, and they can dive at speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. They close their eyes just before hitting the water, but they have a special membrane that protects their eyes while still allowing them to see. After catching a fish, kingfishers bring their prey back to a branch or perch. They use their strong beaks to bash the fish against the branch, making it easier to eat. Talk about a clever hunting technique. Kingfishers also have interesting nesting habits. They don't build their nests in trees like many other birds. Instead, they dig tunnels into riverbanks, where they lay their eggs. These tunnels can be over 3 feet long, protecting their young from predators. Once the eggs hatch, the baby kingfishers, called chicks, stay in the nest for a few weeks until they're strong enough to fly and hunt on their own. During this time, the parents work hard to bring fish back to feed them. There are nearly 90 different species of kingfishers around the world, and they can be found in many different habitats. While many live near rivers, lakes, and ponds, some species are found in forests, deserts, and even coastal areas. They've adapted to live in all sorts of environments. Another cool fact is that despite being called kingfishers, not all kingfishers eat fish. Some species prefer insects, small reptiles, and even crustaceans. So they're versatile hunters that can adapt to what's available in their environment. Kingfishers are very patient hunters. They will sit quietly on a branch, completely still, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. This makes them incredibly efficient at catching their prey with minimal effort. In conclusion, kingfishers are not only beautiful, but also highly skilled hunters. From their lightning-fast dives to their unique nesting habits, these birds truly live up to their royal name. Next time you're near a river or pond, keep an eye out for these amazing birds in action.